So thank you for all of you for your wonderful contribution. I am really grateful because we all together are completing this journey very powerfully, and by every practice of every workshop we are maturing, our soul is maturing day by day. If you will not able to see the impact of maturity of your soul and the consciousness, definitely you will see in some time, because this is definitely there in your subconscious mind. You will never able to forget all these virtues in life, that is the forgiveness, acceptance, gratitude, love, hope and faith. So in the last day on the hope and faith workshop, what we have done actually, we have blessed everyone on this earth. By blessing everyone on this earth, we have make more closer to the universe, because every soul is the part of the universe. And when we are blessing our siblings, you can see our parents feel more happy. If we are connected with our siblings, your parents will better or happy, rather than if you are fighting or there are clash or there are miscommunication, so they don't feel happy, because they feel like both the children are same kind for me. However, they are not connected, they are not together, because whenever like two kids are there in the family or more than two, the purpose of one of the purpose is always there, like they will be in the beautiful bond also. So tomorrow the sibling or brother bond also will be there. So if that is missing somewhere, so parents doesn't feel happy, especially the mothers don't feel happy for that. So think about that. You connected with all the souls on the earth who are our brothers and sisters also, or the souls which are related to us somewhere in some way. So we bless everyone, so our supreme will also feel happy. Okay, either they are connected as a spouse or a son daughter or a father mother, they all are in sync, they all are in harmony. So harmony is the beautiful one concept which universe likes most. So thank you everyone for completing that journey. And this has the one more impact, like when you have the hope and faith in the universe, you will not wait for the cue the magic. Okay, some signal will come to you and then you will keep that faith in the universe. However, if you have faith that universe is listening me, universe is taking care of me, universe is doing all the things for me, that trust is there, then you don't need anything. Like you will start feeling happy in the current situation, you will start feeling happy whatever you are today. So you will not feel okay, then the your bright future will come and then I will be happy one day, everything will come to normal, then I will be happy, one day I will get the money, then I will be happy. Supreme God, I have the full faith in you and hope one day everything will be all will obey me, all will come to me, all will love me. I have full faith and hope in you. It is not like that actually. That day will not come. That day is today only. That day is already here. The purpose of hope and faith is, I am just surrendering everything to you, universe, and whatever you are doing to me, I am happy with that. I am thankful for that. I have full faith in you. It's just like a blind faith. It's just like a yes, if this lockdown is there, if this is the situation, that is perfectly fine. Maybe something good for me. It may be possible you are protecting me from some harmful things around me. So, this is the shield you are making around me. So, I have totally faith in you. So, this faith will give you the complete surrender, at the same time, complete trust on the universe. When this trust factor is built, like whatever is happening, that is happening best for me. Either some bad situations are also coming, which is perfectly fine. We have to start finding the what are the learnings in those situations, because nothing is coming to harm you if you are not harming yourself. Everything is just an event of the life. Everything is coming into your life, just an event. After some time, that will be the past event. You are not going to consider that event longer in your life, because the next event has to come. That next event is the positive event. That next event can be the another one test for you. However, what is coming, that is the another event. So life is the contribute, life is connected or made with all the events. Every event, every scene is coming and going, coming and going, coming and going. However, if you have hope and faith in the universe is taking care of. I am alive today. I can talk. My brain is working. I can do the meditation. I am happy. So the purpose is, yes, universe is taking care of me, and this is the event has come to me to give me the some learnings. I learned my lesson. Let it go. I am moving ahead because I am the connected soul. I am the universe soul. I am the beautiful soul. I cannot connect with this event because this event is just a one part of my life. It is not my life. My life has bigger meaning. Everybody's life has bigger meaning if you think in that way. So the purpose of doing the hope and faith workshop, only the purpose is to make you know that thing. You have to give the faith in the universe and just trust on him. Whatever he's doing best for you. Whatever relationships are coming. Sometimes people used to say some relationships are very painful. That is perfectly fine. This pain is giving you some learning. Maybe you can find out your gaps from this relationship and you can recognize your portion rather than focusing on the other person. Focus on your portion in that relationship, correct it for coming the next relationship. You will definitely get the another chance to create the new relationship, or you will get the chance to resolve this relationship, to make this relationship beautiful. Only that can happen when you will see your portion. You don't need to see the other person's portion. Just see your portion. See and rectify it for the coming day. Every day is the new day. Every day is the new start. Past is past. It is gone. Just keep the trust on the universe. This is the lesson, and this pain will not go till my lesson has been not learned. You will get the one instance, you will get the second event, third event, fourth event, till you are not learning the lesson. When you will learn the lesson, that situation will never come back to you. I can just promise you. And this is not I am saying to you for just saying purpose, for the preaching purpose, not like that. I experienced all these things which I am telling you. And till then, we are not learning the lesson, situation will not change. Okay? Next time also you will get the same situation. However, you are changed. Your response has changed. When you are changed, everything is going to be changed. Nobody can take you from yourself. Your happiness is your happiness. Your life is your life. Your hope and faith is your faith. Nobody can take that. And you cannot allow anybody to take your happiness from you. Okay? So be comfortable and be calm. Today is the day which is I am keeping as the ideal day. We will do the happiness day tomorrow. Just think about that. I have the full faith in the universe. I have full trust in the universe. And whatever universe is doing with me, I am happy with that. I am okay with that. I am going to accept it everything because my connection with the universe is more strong than any event of my life. Because my connection with the universe, not only for this lifetime, this is lot of back lifetimes also. So my connection is more powerful with the universe, whatever coming to me. And nobody can touch me. I am just a soul. If you are not able to think in that direction, just think I am a soul, and my soul nobody can touch, nobody can burn it, nobody can cut it, nobody can piece it, nobody can take my happiness from myself. Whatever is happening, that is happening to my this body. My body is going to impacted by the some situations, some physical situations or some pains. However, my soul nobody can touch because I am directly connected with the universe. And my trust with the universe is I am receiving the abundance of happiness all the time because I know how to get the happiness. Nobody is going to give you. Nobody has that power than you. You are more powerful than anybody else who are surrounding you. All your relationship, all your friends, all your work people, all your events, you are most powerful than them because you are doing these workshops. You are working on yourself. It is not the workshop is the magical or the there is a magical wand or we are doing some tantra mantra. Not like that. You are working on your soul. You are working on your spiritual growth. You are working on your consciousness. You are giving time for your emotional growth. You deserve best. I deserve best. Everyone who are working for their emotional growth, they deserve best. Okay? Because this is the direct connection with the universe, which is the powerful source of the supply of all the happiness in the life. So be connected with the universe. This Hope and Faith workshop is just not only the workshop to tell you to write the one message in the group, not like that. Even if you will notice, I have was very less active in the group for the last 5 days. However, this is the time to connect you with the universe. You did all your jap tap of your from your childhood to till today. This is really awesome. You collected all the power sources to make you powerful. Don't you think like universe is working to make you powerful? Universe is also working to make you powerful. Universe just want so that you can listen universe. You have to tune your frequency with the universe. I am trusting you universe. My complete trust with you. Whatever is coming to me, I am happy. I am in full trust with you. Whatever is happening with me, it is very good. Whatever's happened to me, that was perfectly fine. Whatever come to me, that will be really awesome. जो हुआ अच्छा हुआ, जो हो रहा है अच्छा हो रहा है, जो होगा अच्छा होगा. Just a simple Gita ka उपदेश by Lord Krishna. I think everybody is more understanding this उपदेश now. What does that mean? That is the trust in the universe. That is the faith in the universe. That universe is taking care of me. I am connected with my universe. I am with universe. I am not opposite direction. मैं हवा के विपरीत नहीं हूँ. I am with my universe. I am the power of my universe. Universe is power of me. I am the part of that power source who is giving the power to whole world. I can bless the whole world people who are working for vaccination so that everybody should be healed. How someone can heal the other person? You have thought of that? Because the person is taking the energy from the Supreme, the power source of the energy channel, and then giving you the energy. We are just the energy channel. We are taking the energy from the power of universe and giving to the another person. That soul is not powerful right now in this moment, so that person needs healing. So other person who's more powerful, more connected with the universe, they are just making the connection and asking for you for your health healings and sending you. So this is the channel work they are doing because they are little higher side. You can be healer. Anybody can be healer because you can directly connect with the universe with that hope and faith. This is all about from my side for completing the workshop on hope and faith.